Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is May 11th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research, make your own decisions. So Tesla closed at 617.20 today, down 11.84. So this is almost down 2%. Post-market, we are at 616.40. minus 80 cents. So let's look at the chart. So we have a green candle. And this is almost perfect technical analysis in terms of the stock is respecting the resistance and the support that we have drawn. So we have a support at 595. I should do what I now do. 595. I'm gonna input the text here. This is a nice feature of TradingView. So 595, the stock went and touched this today, and also we have had the support, the diagonal support. I'm gonna try to give you a number. People have been suggesting that I give out numbers when I talk about support, and diagonal support are harder to give a number, but I'm gonna say 628. So 628 is the resistance, not support but resistance. So look at this. So the candle is stuck between 595 and 628. This is almost magic. So basically the 595 support has been in play for some time. Let me remove myself. Has been in play several times, like March 30th, also March 9th, and also around the region of at the beginning of December. So basically Tesla is in this triangle, is still in this triangle, this big triangle, and is also bound by this support and this resistance. Don't forget that we have had this local bear trend that has been in place since April 13th, and this bear trend is still in play now. And even worse than that, we have broken the support. So this line here used to be green, it used to be support, and we have been bouncing off of it, and now it has been broken. And we also had one, if you remember, we also had one here, a double support that we have had here, because sometimes the stock would be bouncing on this line instead of this one, like on May 10th and also on April 19th. So now the stock seems to have stabilized on this support at 595 because it's a green candle. So it means that we have bounced on it. We are going to need to see that the stock respects it for a couple more days to be sure, but it seems like we are going to hold it. And maybe we are going to see the stock do something else tomorrow, like go up a little bit. This is just speculation. This is just a maybe. This is a possibility. Let's look at the hourly chart. So hourly chart at 9:30. So basically we opened at 599.40. So just below 600. Then went way up to 626 during the first hour. So went up and went down. So we were pushed back down. So this gave the impression that the stock would not be going up for the rest of the day. But no, the stock kept moving on. So the second candle was quite big. Then a little bit of a pause. Then green, and now towards the end of the day, well, during the last hour of the day, we have this red candle, and it coincides with this support here at 629. So it seems like we have been rejected by 629 here, and maybe going down a little bit. And we have just gone over this now support. So part of this double support that we have had for this bear trend. So now we are into this one here. So maybe we are going to bounce on this. I don't know exactly, but longer term, it seems like we are in this triangle. In this triangle, and either Tesla will come out of that triangle by going at the bottom through the support, or go through it through the resistance that we have here. Let's look at the indicators. So basically, stochastic is at 11. So we had a little bump up in the stochastic. It was super low yesterday. It was 0.93. Now it's at 1166. So going up a little bit. MACD still negative and bearish, and DMI still negative and bearish. So I don't want to tell you what to do. Some people might decide to buy Tesla here on this support because Tesla is at a low price, and we had that low of a price around March 29th and almost also March 5th. So some people can see this as an opportunity to get in. And there are so many ways to make money on the stock market. So any way works when it works. So some people might decide to do that. What I tend to like to do is, well, I sometimes buy off of support, and sometimes I wait until the stock has congested a little bit and then started to go back up. So if you are one of these people that like to wait for that, then this is why I put so much emphasis on the DMI, because the DMI is an indicator that will not allow you to buy a nice dip. It will not allow you to do that. What it will allow you to do is, once a big dip has happened and the stock is starting to recover, is to get in for the long haul. But there is still money to be made when a stock bounces off of support until it starts to really start a bull trend. But sometimes if you buy off of support, the stock won't be doing a bull trend after all. It's going to bounce off support, make you some money if you sell at the right time, and then go back down. So this is why I never want to tell you when to buy or sell, because there are different ways, as I'm saying, different ways of making money in the stock market. And I'm just here to tell you all of the information about support, resistance, and indicators to allow you to see more clearly, and to maybe also teach you to see those things yourself, and then decide based on what you see how you want to profit from it. So I guess I needed to say that. So interesting. I'm quite happy that the stock is bouncing, because deep in my heart, and this is not the technical analysis guy that is saying that, deep in my heart I believe in this company, and I think this company will do great. So seeing Tesla touching support and seemingly bouncing off of it a little bit is I'm quite happy to see that. Let's put it this way. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I publish a video on Tesla and Palantir every single day. Click the bell so that you are notified when I publish a new video. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. We can learn from each other. I don't know everything. I'm still learning things every single day. We have a Patreon account if you are interested in that, and we also have a discount server if you want to discuss and chit chat with like-minded people. So I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.